Welcome to Measurement Workshop. This is a great application to help students understand the concept of measurement. There are two modes, a build mode and a play mode. Let's do the build mode first. So the first thing you see is that you have 4 different modes you can select to play in. If you just want to use whole numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to use whole and half numbers, if you want to use decimals, or if you want to use fractions. I like going with fractions. So the first thing you need to do is add a ruler. Now you have your add a ruler buttons here. There's a metric ruler or an imperial ruler. Imperial is the same as standard. Let's start off with metric. And you see I click and this little ruler comes up. I can drag it wherever I want, and look, I can increase its size. And as you see, I increase the size, its fractions change. Let's make this one 5 4/5 centimeters. Up here you can see that equals 2 2/8 or 2 1/4 inches. You see, this is a great way to help students understand or compare inches and centimeters. I'm going to change its color. I don't want it to be white, I want it to be yellow. So that's my first building. Now, so this one's 5 4/5 centimeters. Let's add an imperial building. As you see, this is the total height of all your rulers in centimeters and inches. So let's make this one even higher. This one is 4 3/6 inches. So now the total height of all my rulers is 16 2/5 centimeters, or 6 7/16 inches. We'll make this blue. And let's try one more, another metric. Let's move it over here. And we'll make this 7 2/5 centimeters. And we'll color it red. So anyway, the idea is to kind of build a skyline out of rulers, and at the same time learning or understanding inches and centimeters and being able to compare the two. When I'm done, I can print my picture out. Okay, so that is the build mode. Let's go to the play mode. So click play. Again, we select, let's do whole and half numbers. And now the city is built for me. A random city comes up, and I have to figure out how tall each ruler is. Some of them are in inches, some of them are in centimeters. So this one right here is exactly 4 inches tall, so I just type in 4, click check, correct. This one is 11.5 centimeters, and I can either type it in 11.5 or 11.5 as a fraction, which is 11 space 1/2. Click check, correct. This one is 6 centimeters. This one is 9.5, and this time I'll type in 9.5. Check. Here we have 2. Click check. We do not. I'm 0.5 inches too high, so it tells me exactly how many I'm too high or too low. So let's make it 1.5. That's better. Here it looks like we have 7.5 or 7.5 centimeters. This is in centimeters also. Looks like we have 3. And finally, this last one's at 6 centimeters. And when I get them all correct, I can print out my picture. This is how you use a measurement workshop.